Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will show you how to order a DreamHost web hosting account. As you can see, DreamHost has multiple types of web hosting. For this video, we will order a shared hosting. DreamHost has a very generous money back guarantee, as you can see. They offer a shared hosting and a shared unlimited. The since if you pay yearly, the price per month is $2.95. Since this price is the same, I I recommend you to get the second hosting plan. The difference between these two is on the number of websites you can have. The shared unlimited offers unlimited numbers of websites. It also offer pre-installed SSL certificates and the ability to create email accounts, and also unlimited storage, unlimited subdomains you can create, MySQL databases, and FTP accounts you can create. All these it's unlimited. For my case, you can choose to register a new domain, but for my situation, I already have one, which is benstesting.com. This is why I will choose, I already have a domain name. My domain is benstesting.com. It's the domain name I test websites using. If you pay, if you opt for the yearly plan, you should pay just $35.40. And on the 3 years plan, you you should pay $142. This is why if 35.40 times 3 is just $106. So there is I recommend the best deal is on the yearly plan. I recommend you to get the yearly plan, and after the year you can keep using DreamHost or move to another hosting or move on another account on DreamHost. Make sure to uncheck these additional options and you can sign up or not. This selected hosting plan has an introductory price of 35, which will last for 1 year, and after that you will pay 145. Click on submit offer, and there you have it. Your account is created, and also your billing is ready, and your domain name is also added. Now your order is completely successful. I forgot to mention that I've paid using PayPal. Now enter your password to create your account. As you can see, this is the dashboard of DreamHost. Unfortunately, they do not offer cPanel dashboard. But from my little experience, their dashboard is user friendly and it offers unique features. Your first visit to this dashboard, you will face some they try to get you to pay more, but on the second visit all these unwanted windows will disappear. Since my domain name benstestin.com on Hostinger does not point to this DreamHost account, I need to go to domain names or manage websites to get the name servers of DreamHost and copy them to let Hostinger know that I stopped using Bluehost and I moved to DreamHost. As you can see, I was using Bluehost. Copy the server's names and paste them here. Even though they say it will take up to 24 hours, in my situations, in this situation, it only take 10 minutes. As you can see, this site is not working right now, and after 10 minutes my domain name on Hostinger is linked or is started pointing to DreamHost. And there you have it. This is how to order DreamHost. This this is how to order DreamHost. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.